Countertop microwaves are one of the most used appliances in the kitchen, yet they're often chosen quickly without much comparison. Many people assume all microwaves work the same, but differences in power, heating consistency, interior space, and controls can strongly affect daily use. A good countertop microwave should heat food evenly, defrost properly, fit your counter space, and be easy to use every day. Some microwaves focus on advanced heating technology, while others prioritize simplicity and reliability. In this video, we'll go through several countertop microwaves and explain who each one is best for, how they perform in real use, and what you should consider before choosing one for your kitchen. Number 1. Panasonic Inverter Countertop Microwave. This microwave is well suited for people who want consistent heating and dependable performance for everyday use. It works especially well for reheating leftovers, cooking simple meals, and defrosting frozen food. Its key strength is inverter technology. Instead of cycling power on and off, the microwave delivers steady energy throughout the cooking process. This helps food heat more evenly and reduces common problems like overcooked edges and cold centers. Defrosting is smoother and more controlled, which helps preserve food texture. Items like meat, bread, and frozen meals thaw more evenly without starting to cook around the edges. The interior space is generous enough for large plates and containers, making it practical for family meals or meal prep. The turntable rotates smoothly, helping distribute heat consistently. Controls are straightforward and easy to understand. Sensor cooking automatically adjusts cooking time based on moisture released from food, which reduces guesswork. This microwave is a strong option for users who value precision and reliable results every day. Number 2. Breville Compact Wave Soft Close Microwave. This microwave is ideal for users who care about quiet operation and refined design. It fits well in kitchens where noise and appearance matter. One of its most noticeable features is the soft close door. Instead of slamming shut, the door closes gently, which reduces noise and wear over time. This small detail improves the overall user experience. Heating performance is even and controlled. Preset cooking programs automatically adjust power and time for common foods, helping reduce overcooking. Defrosting is gentle, which helps keep food from partially cooking. The interior lighting is bright, allowing you to monitor food while it cooks. The overall build feels solid and well-designed. This microwave is a good choice for users who want smooth operation and thoughtful design without complexity. Number 3. Toshiba Countertop Microwave with Smart Sensor. This microwave is a practical choice for households that want dependable performance at a reasonable level. It works well for reheating meals, cooking packaged foods, and defrosting frozen items. The Smart Sensor detects steam released during cooking and automatically adjusts time. This helps prevent food from drying out or overheating, especially when reheating leftovers. Power output is balanced for everyday use. The microwave heats efficiently without being overly aggressive, which helps reduce uneven results. Interior space is large enough for standard dinner plates and bowls. The turntable promotes even heating, and the unit runs quietly during operation. Controls are clearly labeled and easy to navigate. The design focuses on functionality rather than extra features, making it easy for anyone to use. This microwave is a solid choice for users who want reliability and simplicity. Number 4. LG Smart Inverter Countertop Microwave. This microwave is designed for users who want modern features and consistent cooking performance. It works well for families and frequent microwave users. Smart inverter technology delivers controlled, steady power, which improves heating accuracy. Foods cook more evenly and defrosting is smoother and more predictable. The interior is spacious and coated for easy cleaning. This helps reduce long-term maintenance and keeps the microwave looking clean with minimal effort. Preset cooking modes simplify common tasks and reduce the need for manual adjustments. The microwave adapts well to a wide variety of foods. The control panel is clear and easy to use with a readable display and logical button layout.
This microwave is ideal for users who want advanced heating performance without complicated controls. Number 5. Sharp Carousel Microwave. This microwave is best for users who prefer a simple, traditional design focused on reliability. It's suitable for basic cooking and reheating needs. The carousel turntable rotates food smoothly during operation, helping distribute heat evenly. Power output is consistent and effective for everyday tasks. Controls are simple and easy to understand. This makes this microwave accessible to all users. There are no unnecessary features, which keeps operation straightforward. Build quality feels sturdy, and the overall design emphasizes durability rather than extra functions. This microwave is a good option for users who want a dependable appliance that does its job without distractions. Number 6. Black & Decker Digital Countertop Microwave. This microwave is well suited for small kitchens, apartments, dorm rooms, or offices. It offers reliable performance in a compact footprint. Despite its smaller size, it provides enough power for reheating and light cooking. Preset buttons make common tasks quick and easy. The interior space accommodates standard dishes, and the turntable ensures even heating. The microwave operates quietly and efficiently. The control panel is clear and easy to read. This makes it a good choice for users who want a straightforward microwave for daily use. This microwave works best for basic needs where space is limited. When choosing a countertop microwave, power output is an important factor. Higher wattage usually means faster and even heating. Interior size is also important, especially if you regularly use large plates or containers. Features like inverter technology and sensor cooking can improve consistency and reduce guesswork. Noise level, ease of cleaning, and control layout also affect daily comfort. Choosing a microwave that matches how you cook and reheat food will lead to better long-term satisfaction. The best countertop microwave is the one that fits naturally into your kitchen and into your routine. Some people want advanced heating technology, while others prefer simple and reliable operation. I hope this guide helped clarify the differences and made it easier to understand what really matters when choosing a microwave. Thanks for watching.